Your liver is one of the most important and hardworking organs in your entire body. Think of it as your body's main control center and powerhouse. It is responsible for so many critical functions that keep you healthy and full of energy every single day. One of its main jobs is to act as a filter, cleaning your blood of toxins and harmful substances that you might eat, drink, or breathe in. Without this constant detoxification process, these poisons would build up and cause serious damage to your cells and other organs. The liver is also essential for managing your energy levels by controlling how your body uses and stores fuel. It is truly a vital organ that deserves your full attention. Beyond its role as a filter, the liver is also a master of metabolism and digestion. It produces a very important substance called bile, which is necessary for breaking down the fats you eat into smaller particles that your body can actually absorb and use. Without enough healthy bile, you would have a very hard time digesting fatty foods, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Furthermore, your liver plays a central role in balancing your hormones. It helps regulate hormones like insulin, cortisol, and estrogen, ensuring they stay within a healthy range. When the liver is not working properly, this delicate hormonal balance can be disrupted, leading to a wide range of health issues. One of the most incredible things about your liver is its unique and powerful ability to regenerate itself. Much like a lizard can regrow its tail, your liver has the capacity to repair and rebuild its own tissue. This means that even if a significant portion of it becomes damaged, it can often heal and return to full function, provided it gets the right support. This remarkable feature is a testament to its resilience, but it is not a reason to neglect it. Continuous stress and damage can eventually overwhelm its ability to heal, leading to permanent scarring and long-term problems that are much more difficult to reverse. Because of this amazing regenerative capability, many people are unaware when their liver starts to struggle. The early signs of liver distress can be very subtle and easy to dismiss as normal tiredness or stress. Your liver will work tirelessly to compensate for any damage, often without producing obvious symptoms until the problem has become quite serious. This is why it is so important to understand the quiet signals your body might be sending you. Paying attention to these early warnings can help you take action sooner, giving your liver the help it needs to heal before the damage becomes irreversible and your overall health begins to decline. One of the first and most common signs that your liver is under stress is a feeling of constant, unexplained fatigue. This is not the normal tiredness you feel after a long day. It is a deep exhaustion that lingers even after you have had a full night of sleep. When your liver is sluggish, it struggles to convert stored sugar, known as glycogen, into the usable energy your body needs to function. As a result, toxins can accumulate in your bloodstream, which further contributes to this feeling of being drained and lethargic. If you find yourself constantly tired for no clear reason, it could be your liver telling you it needs support. Another key indicator of a struggling liver is the accumulation of stubborn belly fat, sometimes called a potbelly. A healthy liver helps regulate insulin, a hormone that controls your blood sugar levels. However, when the liver becomes fatty or inflamed, it can lead to a condition called insulin resistance. This forces your pancreas to produce even more insulin, and high levels of this hormone signal your body to store fat, particularly around your abdominal area. This type of fat is especially dangerous because it surrounds your vital organs and increases your risk for other chronic health conditions, making it a clear sign of metabolic imbalance. Strange skin issues that just will not go away can also point to a problem with your liver. You might experience persistent itching, unexplained rashes, acne breakouts, or the appearance of tiny, web-like blood vessels known as spider veins. These symptoms can occur when your liver is not producing healthy, thin bile. Instead, it might create thick, sludgy bile that clogs the bile ducts. This condition, known as hepatic biliary sludge, impairs your body's ability to detoxify properly. When toxins cannot exit through the digestive system as they should, your body may try to push them out through your skin, resulting in these frustrating and visible issues. Finally, digestive problems and brain fog are two more critical warnings. If you frequently experience bloating, gas, nausea, or find that you feel sick after eating fatty meals, Your liver might not be producing enough bile to digest fats correctly. You might even notice your stools are loose or have visible streaks of fat in them. At the same time, an overloaded liver can fail to filter out toxins like ammonia, which can then cross the blood-brain barrier. This can lead to brain fog, difficulty concentrating, memory issues, and even mood swings or irritability. These mental and digestive signs are your body's way of signaling that your liver is overwhelmed. One of the biggest offenders when it comes to liver damage is the consumption of inflammatory seed oils. These are the common vegetable oils found in most processed foods, such as canola, corn, soybean, cottonseed, and sunflower oil. When these oils are heated during processing and cooking, they become oxidized and unstable, creating harmful free radicals. These damaged fats can get stored in your liver cells for years, causing significant damage to the mitochondria, which are the tiny energy factories inside your cells. This mitochondrial damage impairs your liver's ability to perform its detoxification and metabolic functions, leading to widespread inflammation and disease. Another major threat to your liver health is consuming excess fructose, especially in the form of high fructose corn syrup. This highly processed sweetener is abundant in sodas, fruit juices, candies, and countless packaged foods. Unlike glucose, which can be used by cells throughout your body for energy, almost all the fructose you consume must be processed directly by your liver. When you overload your liver with fructose, it converts the excess into fat. This process is a primary driver of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition where fat builds up in the liver, causing inflammation and impairing its function over time. It is widely known that alcohol is harmful to the liver, but many people do not realize just how damaging it is. Your body treats alcohol as a poison, and as soon as it enters your system, your liver must stop everything else it is doing to focus solely on detoxifying it. This halts all other important metabolic processes, including fat burning and nutrient processing. Chronic alcohol consumption leads to severe inflammation, the destruction of liver cells, and the eventual formation of scar tissue, a condition known as cirrhosis. Even moderate intake can put a significant strain on your liver, preventing it from carrying out its other vital jobs effectively. Over-the-counter medications, while helpful for certain ailments, can also be a hidden source of liver damage when used improperly. In fact, the overuse of common pain relievers containing acetaminophen, such as Tylenol, is the leading cause of acute liver failure in many countries. When you take too much of this medication or take it too frequently, you can overwhelm your liver's detoxification pathways. This leads to the buildup of a toxic byproduct that can rapidly destroy liver cells. It is crucial to always follow the recommended dosage and avoid mixing these medications with alcohol, as this combination greatly magnifies the risk of severe liver injury. The first step to healing your liver is to change the types of fats you are eating. It is essential to eliminate the inflammatory seed and vegetable oils mentioned earlier. Instead, you should replace them with healthy, stable fats. Good choices include saturated fats like organic coconut oil, grass-fed butter, ghee, and beef tallow. You should also incorporate healthy monounsaturated fats from sources like extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. These healthy fats do not cause inflammation and provide the clean energy your liver and body need to function correctly. This simple swap can significantly reduce the inflammatory burden on your liver and support its natural healing processes. Next, you must prioritize eating high-quality protein and plenty of nutrient-dense vegetables. Your liver requires specific amino acids, such as glycine and taurine, to run its detoxification pathways efficiently. Excellent sources of these nutrients include grass-fed beef, pasture-raised eggs, be sure to eat the yolk, and bone broth. Additionally, eating bitter and sulfur-rich foods can provide powerful support. Bitter greens like arugula and radicchio help stimulate the production of healthy bile, while sulfur-rich vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, onions, and garlic provide the raw materials your body needs for detoxification. A diet rich in these foods helps your liver cleanse itself. You can also support your liver by incorporating simple lifestyle strategies like intermittent fasting and regular exercise. Fasting, such as following an 18-6 schedule where you eat within a 6-hour window, gives your digestive system and liver a much-needed rest. This break allows your liver to focus on repair and to start burning off the stored fat within it. Exercise, especially activities that make you sweat, is another excellent way to help your body detoxify. Sweating helps eliminate toxins through your skin, which takes some of the workload off your liver. Even a brisk walk after meals can help stimulate bile flow and improve digestion. Finally, it is wise to know how to check on your liver's health. You can ask your doctor for a simple blood test that measures your liver enzymes, specifically ALT, AST, and GGT. Elevated levels of these enzymes can indicate that your liver is inflamed or damaged. An ultrasound can also provide a visual image of your liver, allowing a doctor to see if there is any excess fat accumulation. By understanding the signs of a struggling liver and adopting these healing strategies, you can take control of your health. Your liver is incredibly resilient, and by giving it the right support, you empower it to heal and keep you healthy for years to come.